Did you know that thousands of new YouTube channels are getting monetized every single month, even in 2026? The biggest myth is that YouTube is too competitive. The truth is, there has never been a better time to start. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the exact roadmap to start a successful YouTube channel from zero and grow it faster than most beginners. Let's begin. The first step is choosing a niche you can consistently create content about. Instead of uploading random videos, focus on one category like AI, technology, finance, gaming, education, or tutorials. YouTube recommends channels that consistently solve the same type of problem for viewers. You don't need an expensive camera. A smartphone, a clear microphone, and good lighting are enough. Spend more time improving your video quality, editing, and storytelling than worrying about expensive equipment. Every video should answer one question or solve one problem. Even the best video won't grow if nobody can find it. That's why YouTube SEO is essential. Use searchable keywords in your title, description, and thumbnail. Create titles that spark curiosity without using misleading clickbait. Your thumbnail should be simple, colorful, and easy to understand in just 1 second. The YouTube algorithm doesn't care how many subscribers you have. It only cares how viewers respond. If people click your video and keep watching, YouTube will recommend it to more people. Focus on 3 things: a high click-through rate, strong audience retention, and viewer satisfaction. The better these metrics, the faster your channel grows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.